I want to show y'all the difference in 3 different bows, and depending on your pocketbook, your taste, or your style, any one of these bows would work for your mantle garlands, on wreaths, on any of your decor that you are decorating with. We're going to start with our bow tie. As you can see, I've cut 3 different lengths of ribbon, and the back ribbon is the longest, then the next longest, and then the shortest. And all I'm going to do is gather them up just like that. And then I'm going to take my wire, go across the middle, and we like to use floral wire because it truly holds the ribbon together better. And there's your bow tie. Next, we're going to go to our half bow. And you could layer these any number of ways, but I love the sparkle on top. So I have a length of ribbon. I'm going to gather, make my loop, gather behind, twist to the right side, I'm going to gather, gather, and next is the final layer. I'm going to gather, make my loop, gather, twist, and then my wire is going to go across the middle, wrap to the back. And the great thing about using floral wire also is this gives you a wire to attach onto your garland or to your wreaths on any of your decor. So there's our half bow. And so now for our full bow, I'm going to gather, make my loop, gather, twist to turn to the right side, lay in at the back, gather it again, twist, and so I have a bow. And you could stop here if you wanted to, but we always like to layer more and more, mixing different patterns and textures. And be sure to shape and pull. That's the other thing about good quality designer ribbon. It's got a lot of body, stability, and durability to last. So there's your bow.